Our goal at Multivista is to provide for you a digital archive record of the entire construction project. So what we do for the owners, we provide them a website. We take your CAD floor plans, load them up to the website, and then through regularly scheduled intervals of the construction process, we'll take digital photography. We'll link those images back to your CAD floor plans in the corresponding location, giving you in essence a thumbnail of every portion of the construction project. So it can help improve efficiencies, help improve the communication among team members. If you ever have to go back in time to remediate a situation or change the use of space, you now have a record of where everything is located. It can give everyone involved with the project the ability to see what's happening and do some due diligence prior to coming out to a site. So it can literally reduce trip times to the job site.